guys, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for checking back with me. Today I am unboxing the Tribe Beauty box. This is a bi-monthly subscription box which empowers women. So it's women brands that are featured in this box. This is my first Tribe Beauty box. I actually signed up for this, I don't even remember, maybe the end of August or something. So I think this box may be August, September, or August. I'm not exactly certain, but I know my box is different from the other boxes that you've seen for August. So let's get right into this box. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I do post weekly videos with different subscriptions. Please feel free to peruse some of my other channels if you do love skincare and makeup just like I do. I always like to see what other people got, so that's the purpose of why I have this channel, because I'm nosy and I know other people want to know what other people got in their boxes too. So why not we just watch what everybody else got, right? So this is how the box comes. Smaller than some of my other subscription boxes, definitely. So let's open this thing up. And when I open it, this is what I see inside. And I see a thank you for your order. We hope that you enjoy your Tribe Beauty box of the month. And then there's a code. If anyone cares to know what it is, I can drop it in the description box. So the first product that I'm pulling out, I see is, what is this? Masquerade is the name of the company, and this is a Matcha Detoxifying Clay Mask. Is this just, okay, use 2 to 3 times a week, and this is for normal to oily skin. And let's see, how many are in here? 3 uses are in here. Oh, okay. So, oh, this is how it comes. Very neat. I was just thinking it was like one package and it was just like one, but it's 3 of them. That's pretty neat. So are you like mixing this with something, or is it mixed up? Cleanse skin, dry, apply even layer, avoid dye. So it must be already mixed up. Feels lotion. Yeah, it feels like something that's like liquidy in here. So that'll be neat. That'll be used for spa day, darlings. So it's a detoxifying mask. Okay. Cool. Next product I have is a LuxieBeauty.com. This is a makeup brush. And this is a pretty, look at how the color is. I thought maybe that was something over it. That's how it comes. Oh, wow. And this says it's a small brush. Luxie 524, if anyone cares to know what it is. So a nice brush. Always could use them, and it does feel nice and soft too. All right, next product I have is a Ofra eyebrow universal. What color is this? Does it say? No, it does not say. So this is an eyebrow pencil. I know you probably cannot see Ofra written on there. And oh, this is like a dark brown or something. I don't know if you guys can see it really good on here, but it's like a dark brown. You can barely see it on my skin. I'm trying to put some on here. It's barely showing up. So I guess it may work for me. We'll have to see. It may not be dark enough for me because I can barely see it on here. But it says it's for eyebrow. So that's one. And the next product that I'm pulling out is Estee Lauder Modern Muse. Ooh, an Estee Lauder product. Isn't that lovely? Let's see. What's a roller? Ooh, this is a decent size roller too, guys. I wouldn't expect it to come this big. Most of the time you get these samples. Okay, I love scents, so I have to try this. Not bad. Okay, it's okay. I've never bought any Estee Lauder. I'm more familiar with like their makeup and stuff. I wasn't that familiar with the scents. It smells okay. It's okay. I mean, it's nothing I'm crazy over, but I think that's pretty dope. You got that in here. If I don't like it, I'll give it to my mom. Me and her both like perfumes, but I have to see how it wears, and I'll make up my final decision if I like it. And the next product that's in here, oh wow, lashes, darling. Wow. So this is from the company called Lash Scoop. I have 3D Folk Make vegan and cruelty-free lashes. Designed with love, our lashes are comfortable and effortlessly crafted to enhance your natural beauty. Oh, that's pretty dope, guys. I thought those were some nice looking lashes here. I like that. Now, I generally don't wear lashes, but it's not because I don't like to. I'm still trying to figure out how to wear them and practice putting them on. So having different lashes to try does make it a little bit easier to keep practicing with. So eventually I'm gonna come on here with some lashes on. It's coming. Don't worry about it. It's coming. And oh, I got a couple of lashes. Wow, dude. Look, I got like 5 packs of lashes in here. Get out of here. And they're all not the same. So they don't have a name on these that I see anywhere. But this is another set here. And then we have this set here. And they're all a little bit different from each other too. Then I also have these two here. Isn't that neat? Like 5 packs of lashes in one box. Wow. I think that's pretty dope. Now, I'm really liking these. I'm going to have to get my lash game up because I want to try these. And these look more natural looking for people that don't want to look too fake and phony. I get it. This would be perfect for someone like that. And last product. So we have some sort of palette. Okay, this is the Be Bella Cosmetic Life in Pastel. So I'm sure this is going to be a bright palette based on the name alone. I have never used this company's products before, so I'm not familiar with them in any kind of way. And it does have a mirror. I'm going to fold it down so I can show you guys the actual colors. I think those are some very nice looking colors. Pretty bright, but they're nice looking colors. I could use this. I mean, I know some people don't like color, but I actually like playing around with color. I think that's how you get better with makeup, just kind of stepping out your comfort zone and not being afraid to try. But I thought these are some pretty fun colors. Being that we're going in the fall, don't know if I'm going to get that much use out of this palette based on the colors, but why not? Just put something on. If it matches with my outfit, I'll probably throw it together. I'll make something happen. So that is what I received in this box, guys. So I got the palette. Now this palette, I know everybody else did get. I think that's the only thing I received in here that is similar to everyone else's. But I didn't see anybody get the lashes. So I got all the lashes here. I mean, this is really dope to get this many lashes in one subscription box. I've never seen that before. I think that's really dope. To get a roller perfume is made by Estee Lauder. We are all familiar with Estee Lauder. Now, you may not like the scent. Scents are personal. I don't think it's too bad. It's not too loud. It's still lingering. I don't think it's too bad of a scent. We have the Universal Eyebrow, which it needs a little work for me. A lighter person probably would enjoy this a little bit more than myself, who is a bit darker, and you can barely see that I put anything on. So that's not going to work. Brush, great, and a face mask. So overall, I'd say I like my box better than the people that I've seen get the box earlier than me. So I figured my box is like a mixture of maybe some of the other things they had left over from previous boxes. But I liked it. So let me know what you guys think about this box. But I really liked it. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this subscription box, if it's something you would be interested in. And let me know. But for now, guys, thanks for watching. I enjoyed you keeping me company while I went through this box here. And I hope you saw something in here you like, that maybe you'll subscribe to this box yourself if you're not already subscribed. Always something new to check out. Love that. Love the different boxes. So thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button and stay up to date with me on my latest videos. And I'll catch you next week. Bye.